Hi everyone, so today we'll be talking about Drojob, how you can make extra money carrying out very simple tasks on Drojob, and of course how I've made up to $200 on Drojob. Now on this platform, you can just carry out very simple tasks and get paid by watching videos, mainly by watching videos. It is actually very simple. A lot of people who have been paid on this platform have also been paid. I'm going to show you how to carry it out, and of course how to avoid your how to avoid your account suspension, and of course how to withdraw your money. Now first of all, you have to register if you have not registered on Drojob, and then you click on your account. All right, once you've registered, you just have to log in, and I'm logging in my dashboard right now. So normally when you have logged in, you will find $10 automatically on your dashboard, and of course the remaining dollars is just what you have to complete carrying out task. Now I've withdrawn my own $10, and of course I've gathered also extra balances. Now there's a way you can make a lot of money. You can see my referral balance by inviting one person. You invite here gives you $1 instantly, and of course when your dollars is around $100, you can withdraw, and this platform pays every 21st of the month. I'll show you how to do that. Now without, if you don't want to refer, you want to just make money, let me show you exactly where to go. It is actually very easy. You click on this three hamburger sign, you just watch videos and you get paid. Now when you click on this three hamburger sign, I don't want any ad to pop up. Okay, it's just simple. You can see dashboard, start work, referral. This is where we are right now. If you want to start work, you just click on start work, and once you click on start work, you have 6 videos to watch every single day. Now when I come back to my dashboard, you will see that my dashboard is normally the balance there is around, the balance there right now is around 10.75 dollars. Now I'm just going to watch one video and I'll come back and refresh my balance. You will see that's added. I'm just going to I will not record the video I'm watching because of some restrictions. Okay, so I'm just going to go to start work, like I said, click on the hamburger sign, and once you've done that, you find start work, you click on start work, and then you find the dollars that you'll be given is around 0.6 or 0.5 or 0.4 dollars, depending on the video you're watching. Okay, so once you've clicked on start work, you can see I have watched one video out of 6, 1/6, so I can watch extra 5 videos. You can see my today's earning. This is because I've watched just one video. You see, I'm going to watch another video right now, but I'm not going to record it because of some restrictions, so that I'm going to keep the platform safe. So I've just finished watching the second video, and this is 2/6 right now. You want to scroll down to see your earnings. My earnings have increased. Now I have the option to watch up to 6 videos in a day. If you are watching more, you'll be given more videos to watch. And of course, every day it might add up to $2 or $3, depending on how far you can go. Now you just click on your hamburger sign, go back to your main dashboard, and to confirm that the money has added. It is actually very simple thing to do. Now you can see that's added a little more, and this is exactly how you can work and work. And you can see these are all my invitees, people who have used my referral link to sign up. I've actually withdrawn up to $300 on Drojob twice. Okay, I've withdrawn 150 and 150. To withdraw, it is very easy. You click on the hamburger sign again, you click on withdraw. Okay, the withdrawal part is so easy. You click on withdraw. Okay, and then when you click on withdraw, when you are there, you just wait, and then there are several places you can withdraw. It's going to show you all your balance. You can withdraw everything, but you can place your withdrawal now. On the 21st of the month, you will be paid. There are no withdrawal fees. Now if you have PayPal, you can withdraw your money on PayPal. You can withdraw your money on Payer. If you want to send to Skrill, I've used Skrill to withdraw previously. It's actually very fast. Now Web Money and Western Union, if you wish, you can actually attach your account to those two options. Now if you want to withdraw your money, you can see this is PayPal and 150 to $200 PayPal. If you want to withdraw your money on crypto, you click on this place written as B, which is a Bitcoin sign. When you click on it, you can see that you can withdraw BTC, you can withdraw Shiba Inu, you can withdraw Ethereum, you can withdraw USDT, you can withdraw BNB. If I click on USDT, now if you are watching this video from a country that USDT is very expensive, I would advise you to just go to and withdraw all your money on USDT and you enjoy it. I've withdrawn on Skrill previously, but my current balance will be withdrawn to USDT, and you can move your money to Binance, okay, directly to your Binance account. Now, of course, you can see BNB is also here. You can also withdraw your money on BNB, okay. Now, the last option to withdraw is through gifts, okay, more of gift card. Now, you can see this is Google Play gift card, which you can easily click on. You'll be given the gift codes, and you can go and redeem the gift code on any Google Play enabled site. Amazon gift card, you can go and withdraw it. You can withdraw it here, go and sell it, depending on where you make more money. So these options are just so interesting and so good. I would advise you, if you know the one that profits you the most, you withdraw using that method. So after that, let's talk more about how you can make more money on Drojob. Personally, one way I've made a lot of money on Drojob is through referral. Once you refer any person, you get $1 immediately. So once you click on referral, the person, just refer them and they start working also, you can see you get more money. Now you can see earn $1 every friend you invite. Every friend, you just copy your Drojob link. This is it here. Mine will be in the comment. You just copy yours, and you can see I've actually referred 416 persons, but only 224 have actually traded. Okay, that is why you can see my balance is $224. So the remaining people who signed up did not trade, and I was not paid for it. Okay, so when you invite somebody, make sure the person trades so that your balance will keep adding, and this is one way you can withdraw large amount of money. So let's talk about other things you need to know about Drojob. First of all, you don't have to open two accounts. Opening two accounts on Drojob will render your account like it's going to disable your account, and they will close your account. If you open two accounts and they find out you're using the same phone, the same IP address, your two accounts will be closed. And of course, you don't have to people from Nigeria, Africa, you tend to earn less. If you are living in the first world country like US, UK, you earn more. So people want to use VPN to mask their address and act like they are working from the US. If you do that, your account will be disabled. So you don't use VPN to do anything. If you have VPN on your phone for other purposes, you're going to disable your VPN, okay, when you're working with Drojob. Or in fact, you uninstall it if you know you want to be serious with Drojob, because most time they sense it and your account will be disabled. You will not be able to log in, and all the money you have earned will be lost. Now, like I said, you can only withdraw your balance every 21st of the month, and it's going to be paid into your preferred choice of payment. And of course, so this will be the end of the Drojob tutorial. We are going to be linking the class on, like, their public class will be opening on Saturdays. Of course, you can join and ask several questions, discuss several things, several options you've tried, and how successful your withdrawal was, and all of that. So that will be the end. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. And the Drojob doesn't have any app on Play Store, so don't bother looking for it. It doesn't have. You can only make use of the website. Have a wonderful day. See you in our next class.